Oh shit.
What are you doing, dude?
You already recording?
No, how do you zoom in? Oh, I see.
Oh no, but it won't zoom in whenever you're...
It doesn't zoom in while you're recording?
Nah. I knew you were recording.
I'm not recording. No, I'm asking. Look at Luis looks gay. I want to start recording because you're gay. Look at me, you bloody Asian. Hey, you can't even start the bike. Oh, what an idiot! Oh, you're gonna fall. If you fall, I'm gonna kill you. It's the bloody Asian trying to ride a bloody cycle. By the time he comes around the corner, it's gonna be nighttime. Can't even go. He's going like 3 miles an hour. Oh, he thinks he can ride it fast now. Bloody hell. It's not cool, you can't zoom in. Ah, come on! Time he gets over here, man. Here he goes. Look at, he thinks he can ride. Look at, he's giving it gas and shifting like 3 seconds in between. Right. It's about bloody time you got back here.